Okay, this is a PSA. This is a Friday the 13th PSA. This morning, I went looking for some Facebook groups that are relevant to me, and there's a group called YouTube, and it's got 247,000 members, and it's a private group. But then I noticed this. It's AI enabled. Like, wait a minute, what does that mean? That's sort of new to me. I click on AI enabled and up pops this dialog box, which is rich in information if you stop and spend enough time to read it and try to understand it. First of all, it says right here, TubePal is this group's AI and is here to help. Now that tells me clearly that the group has the ability to name their AI bot and somebody decided to name it TubePal. Kind of get that, it makes sense. What I also wonder is, did they get the ability to choose this icon? And what does the green dot mean? Does that mean TubePal is up and ready to work this morning? Ready to help me out? Now, read more. Get instant answers and suggestions. Now, the AI powered by Meta AI Studio makes sense to pay attention to what that's all about. TubePal can chat one-on-one with me, can post to the group and comment on the group as well as help in other ways. Interesting. So now not only do I have 247.2 million members in this group, but I also got this other dude named TubePal that can engage with me, post, and comment in the group. Now, even more, you got to read it all. Find relevant group info easily. TubePal can generate content from group content, from posts, and from comments. Can generate content. Interesting to pay attention to. You access on your eligible mobile devices. Check for the AI-enabled label under a group name. But one more really important piece of information to pay attention to. Some results may be inaccurate or inappropriate. I get that, and I get that they need to say that, but it kind of makes me worry a little bit. But then I stopped and thought, I wonder in regular groups and with regular members, how much content may be inaccurate or inappropriate. I'm being a little snarky there because I think a lot of it is inaccurate, opinion-based, and inappropriate, misguided. Now, all of this aside, the fact that I have a bot in these groups that can engage with me just like any other human can engage with me. But furthermore, what I want to understand is this. In this context, is TubePal all about this group? Or is TubePal learning from us, growing from us, discovering from us all kinds of useful and maybe interesting information and taking what it learns in this group back to its peers at Meta AI Studio? Don't misunderstand me. I'm okay with the AI tools getting better because I do want less inaccurate and less inappropriate content. But I want to understand the terms and services of TubePal, of Meta AI Studios. So I've got to go do some research on that so I understand what to expect. What is my relationship with TubePal? Is he all about helping me? All about helping this group? Or is it also all about helping its peers back at Meta AI Studios? It's called PSA. Pay serious attention. The deeper we get into this AI-enabled world, the more we want to understand and influence how these tools are using what it learns from us.